Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a classic desi dessert that's, yes, Gulaab Jamun, everyone's favorite. So let's get started. Time to make rose syrup now. So combine 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, and you can add rose water in it and bring it to boil. Reduce it to heat and let it shimmer for 5 times and then let it cool so we can put gulab jamun in it. This warm and tasty dessert is just to die for, and who doesn't love gulab jamun? Soak the gulab jamun in the sugar syrup and let it cool for 30 minutes. Make it also bring it to boil as well so it can soak it well in the gulab jamun.